Hello children, in the previous videos we have seen that what is meant by rational numbers and how to represent number line with the help of rational numbers, and then we have seen comparison of rational numbers, and also we have seen that equivalent rational numbers. So in this video we are going to see that we are going to watch that how to find any n number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So here the question is given, find 5 rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So let's see what is this. Minus 5 by 7 and minus 3 by 8. This is a question. So how many rational numbers you have to find? 5 rational numbers you have to find. So let us see how to do it. So 7 and 8 are the two different denominators when you check, right? So what we have to do, we have to make it into same denominator. That is the first step what I have to do. So 7 and 8 I am taking LCM. So when I take the LCM, I am getting the answer, that is 56, right? So 56 as the LCM I am getting. So what I need to do is, I have to make the denominator as 56. So I have to check that with what number, if I multiply with 7, I will get the answer 56. So I can say that 7 multiplied by 8 will give the answer as 56. So I am multiplying with 8 also in the numerator, right? Not only in the denominator. That is how we have to do the equivalent rational numbers. So minus 5 multiplied by 8 is minus 40 and 7 multiplied by 8 is 56, right? So we got the answer of this. Now minus 3 by 8. Now again what we have to check with the 8, right? With the denominator, with what number if I multiply, I will get 56. That is how I have to check. So when I check, I can say that 8 multiplied by 7 would give me the answer as 56. So I am multiplying with 7 even in the numerator and also in the denominator. So minus 3 multiplied by 7 is minus 21. 8 multiplied by 7 is 56, right? So we got the two rational numbers, right, with the same denominators, that is minus 40 by 56 and minus 21 by 56, right? So now both are negative rational numbers, right? Both are negative rational numbers which falls on the number line after 0. So minus 40 by 56 will be here and minus 21 by 56 will be here, that is before 0, right? So before 0, left hand side, right? And right hand side will be positive numbers. So we don't have to look at the positive numbers, only towards left hand side we have to check. So when I check this minus 40 by 56 and minus 21 by 56, between these two, what are the numbers will fall? That's what I have to check. So minus 21 by 56, towards left hand side if I move, the next number will be minus 22 by 56. That is what I have written here. And after that, you can say that minus 40, after minus 40, what are the numbers will be there? That is, after minus 40 means towards right hand side. Towards right hand side. So towards right hand side, minus 40, before number is what? Before number is what? 39. Minus 39. So that is what is minus 39 by 56 has come here. So minus 40 by 56 towards right hand side, because we need to reach 21 by 56. So towards right hand side if I move, what number will be the next number? Minus 39 by 56 will be the next number. So minus 39 by 56 and then next number will be minus 38 by 56, then minus 39 by 56, so on. So you will get that minus 23 by 56, minus 22 by 56, and here you will get minus 21 by 56, right? So what I need to do is, I should not write this number here and this number here. Why? Because we are checking between these two numbers how many rational numbers are coming. So we need only 5. So you can write out of this any 5 rational numbers. So in the examination when it is asked, you can mention like this, and out of this you can write any of the 5 rational numbers which is coming under these numbers. Okay children. So now I have shown you on the number line how to represent this, because you will get confused how this minus 39 by 56 would have started here and it's ended with minus 22 by 56. So between these two rational numbers, these are the rational numbers which is falling here, right? So that is what I have represented in the number line to make you understand better. So minus 40 by 56, towards right hand side when I move, I will get minus 21 by 56, right? So when I move right hand side, then only I will get minus 21 by 56. So for that reason, I have to move towards right hand side. So when I am moving towards right hand side, I am getting minus 39 by 56, minus 38 by 56, minus 37 by 56, like so on, till if you see, then minus 20 by 56, so, right? Before this number, that is left hand side, towards left hand side, if I see, the number is minus 22 by 56. So till there only I have to write. Why, children? Because we have to find the rational numbers, any 5 rational numbers between minus 40 by 56 and minus 21 by 56. That is why we have to write between these two numbers. These are the rational numbers which are following, right? So that is why I have written here minus 39 by 56, minus 38 by 56, and so on till minus 22 by 56. So out of this, any of your 5 rational numbers you can write, that would be the answer, right? Now let us see the next question. Minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. This is the question. So we have to find again 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So the question is minus 1 by 2, that is a negative rational number, and right hand side if you see, that is 1 by 3, that is positive rational number. So minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, if you see, there are two different denominators. To make it as the same denominator, what do we need to do is to make the LCM, to find out the LCM. So when I find out the LCM, my answer is 6. So what I need to do, I have to multiply the number which is going to be here for giving the denominator as 6. So when I multiply 3 only, I will be getting the answer as 6. So what I need to do is, in the numerator and also in the denominator, I have to multiply with 3. So minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 3. When I multiply, I will get minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So minus 3 by 6 is the answer for that. Now 1 by 3. For that, which number I need to multiply, I have to check to get the answer denominator as 6. So when I multiply 3 into 2, I will get 6. So that is why in the numerator and the denominator, I multiply by 2 by 2. So when I multiply, I am getting the answer. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So I got the answer as 2 by 6. Now what I need to do, between these two numbers, I have to check the numbers which are falling in between these. So what is falling between these is, so minus 3 by 6 and 2 by 6, when I am representing on the number line, you will see that it has to go towards right hand side to reach 2 by 6, right? Because it's a positive number. So when I need to move towards right hand side, the next number will be minus 2 by 6, and the next number will be minus 1 by 6, and the next number will be 0 by 6, and next number will be 1 by 6. So after 1 by 6, you will get 2 by 6. So that is how we have to represent. But we need 5 rational numbers, right? If you see in the question, you can see that there are 5 rational numbers asked in the question. But we got 4 rational numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 rational numbers only we got it. So what do we need to do is, we have to multiply with these two. Okay, these two rational numbers. Any number you can multiply, because already you got 4 rational numbers. To get one more rational number, if you even multiply with 2, you will get the 5 rational numbers. So but I have done with 5. Okay, you can multiply with any of the number and you can get the answer. So minus 3 by 6, I have done with 5. So 5 by 5, and then I am getting the answer as minus 15 by 30. So similarly here 2 by 6, whatever number I am multiplying here, the same number to be multiplied here also. So 5 by 5 I am multiplying, I am getting the answer as 10 by 30. So after this, you can see that I have written minus 14 by 30, minus 13 by 30, minus 12 by 30, and so on till 9 by 30. How it has come, I will just show you here with the help of number line. So minus 15 by 30 is here the first number, and the last number, if you see, it is 10 by 30. That is positive number. That's what I have represented here. Before this, towards right hand side, if you see, minus 14 by 30 will be the number, right? So that is the number which I have written, and so on. So it keeps going, minus 13 by 20, 30, minus 12 by 30, like that it keeps going on. So similarly, I have to go till 9 by 30, because before number of 10 by 30, that is predecessor of 10 by 30, is 9 by 30. So till there I have to move. So that is the answer here. So out of this, any of your 5 rational number you can take and write down. So that is the answer for this question. So already we have discussed that we can find unlimited number of rational numbers. That means you can find in many numbers, you can find many numbers between any two rational numbers, right? So when I told you here, whichever number you are multiplying, you will get more number of answers. So for example, if you multiply with big number, you will get more number of rational numbers. If you multiply with small number, you will get less number of rational numbers. So that is how we are saying that we can find many rational numbers, unlimited rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Thank you for watching my video, children. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.